new coach for Tottenham going into this particular game. Now, could that lead to a better play a role and a factor? I think so. Thomas Frank may be a big time opportunity for Europe.
Okay.
But I've said that the very moment will be better me making a transition from Brentford. No about Remo or Tottenham. Now the first competitive game of the Tottenham Kwako Super Cup. It shows be a NASA coach, what justifies or deserve so or at this level. And Thomas Frank, if you have watched Brentford, yes, me I can say any team maybe a but Brentford not a very difficult side to beat. Very, very difficult side to beat. Obiano on a Brentford airborne games are now you have a problem and I say you have a challenge. And so Thomas Frank coming up against Luis Enrique. Obianim Luis Enrique brawa ball when it comes to this. The game plan of 4-3-3 formation that it me a transition there a 3-2-5 in attack where body full backs a babe supporting midfield a double up numbers in the midfield Emma Ubenya a dynamic front three no the original one attack no the lives of Due the lives of Dembele mo a different Kwaraskilia mo o fahan we say we PM how nam hana we PM a very fluid midfield and fluid attacker enye if that's a dynamic attacker the okofane because onyina faako Dembele no onyina ho no wakoche na gina ho Due nyina faako no wakoche no Kwaraskilia nyina faako no wakoche no ena in now the lives of Vitinha Moni Ruiz no honma ben say Ashraf Hakimi aba can ube wan say Mendes aba continue omo ba say osho ma ye bebre wo wani so no omo ba they lose so many to Real Madrid were that was the Club World Cup now. And Omoni watch them against Arsenal, watch them against Man City, watch them against Inter. As Omar does you don't know how they multiply in midfield and multiply in attack. It's a difficult side to beat. But then again, I heard Thomas Frank. So you're ready, so for big teamer. No, why you're ready with what comes along with it. Because for a manager, all could take you over from Ange Postecoglou. Now the first game, a Super Cup game against PSG, you won't wish for that. Who may wish for that because Obe Peseka, build Bibi Kakra, now we'll try Bibi Kakra. All of a sudden, first game, one very careful, an embarrassing result because only the best manager in Ekwakobo, only the best team in the world and Ekwakobo. So a very difficult game for them. Now, how does Thomas Frank play? He's the type or combo games or adapting the tactics to suit opponent. It means say this particular game what transfer a Chelsea game, no. Asha realize it, and when the entire after the Chelsea game, no, Luis Enrique won on Donnarumma. He said it emphatically. The best goalkeeper in the world also on Donnarumma. Okay, so this is what happened in the Chelsea game. And for me, before that Chelsea game, now Donnarumma contract has never been an issue because he's one of the greatest goalkeepers in Europe. Your ball game no realize it's a goalkeeper nimboa obrepa. On the previously,
the Champions League.
The Champions League. And now because Chelsea.
And I wear no position.
The one who said, "Well, why Chelsea fast so expose PSG team nana?" And then you analysis the video. They expose them big time. Now, this is what happened. And Crawford best started Donnarumma about the Bobo and Chelsea players by me and Sano Mujina Nanim. And when I was a goalkeeper, no, so ball long baller, also a hunu ball. It was Sanchez. One the entire Enzo Maresca so I imagine Sanchez on Pamono. Yeah. That one game now Chelsea PSG boy, you know. Proving the difference between the Club World Cup. Proving the difference between the two goalkeepers. Chelsea team, you know, Chelsea per se. Or short passes are PSG for not begging anymore. Now Sanchez about tailor-made pass. A tall man, Chelsea. Donnarumma boy, not Chelsea. I born. Luis Enrique born. Was oh, you game where I'm new. I'm game. Ya Luis Enrique one. Nobody understands why PSG says they don't want. And Luis Enrique says it's my decision. 100%. Give the blame to me. And the reason is simple. He's looking for Nwakwa Sani Cavalier from Lille. Say he wants a ball playing goalkeeper I feel say be gina ni mo. No born a long go bet me abo.
But he's not being fair to
He's not being fair. I believe so.
I believe so. Even the
I believe
Champions
so.
League.
I believe so. It's not
just
fair.
A game.
It's not fair and they're fair and you're fair crap because Champions League is the ultimate. So goalkeeper be the OG.
Because Oda go pack Club World Cup Chelsea game no
and in the Champions League, Donnarumma was the reason why PSG won. After 4 years, or the watch French League, watch French Super Cup, watch BBA, or say he is looking for a ball playing goalkeeper. Very, or say almost happy skaboom soon as I do, and then it's very disrespectful to Donnarumma. But me can't the say,
okay,
if Luis Enrique actually say now he's going for a ball playing goalkeeper. Wakwako sign be 40 million euros. Lucas Cavalier. Wakwako sign no.
Donnarumma call City.
I confirmed there. That's
almost
great. And now we are going to look at that goalkeeper.
No, I say goodbye to you.
Lucas Cavalier now the Nico Jinam
okay.
Say wo na say be replace Donnarumma. Yenhwe the obeye.
It's the same.
We watch it. Now I feel and no for a goalkeeper who is playing in the French League. We had Donnarumma class and caliber. I feel that goalkeeper could be exposed. And Kudus Mohamed. Paulinha. I am hoping that these two players would come to the party today.
Okay.
Now I'm exposing PSG. Mind you, what I do not want, Thomas Frank, one particular manager, so say a very defensive conscious power.
Okay.
Me this particular game or because one year very quiet. I know that is what for me a word for Chelsea. Chelsea and you say you could defend. Chelsea defended solidly, but they realize that PSG team no Ashraf Hakimi ko Mendes ko Vitinha Lewis and so omumi enu nyina so ko anim wo fra front ayi so de omo da bi omo gyina anim wo they want to press. Enti wo je ball na wo Kudus Mohamed or very very pacey.
And skillful.
Very, very pacey and very. And what I am expecting Vicario, goalkeeper, and say, what you born now? Pierre du Fodina anymore. On yet the Sanchez Yenibi. Find a tailor-made pass. I can't remember Kudus, no. Nakora Skillia in Chelsea game, no. Nakora Skillia, Juna Sanchez, in Tebra, born a drew. Yabo Sanchez, a ball, Nama born, I could do no. Now, Mendes, and so I come into now, a fay, I hold out. Kudus, on Munya Kudus be. On the left side of Branton and friend Odebet for Tottenham, I'm expecting that Obe to me Anya Ayikakra. Then in the middle, Paulinha and Bentaka. I want to me Enya Bibi. So Lanky, the minimum says I won't create chances in the man and a decenter. Obe to me Ashe. Now, I know Tottenham goes into this particular game as a underdog. That is the truth. The truth of the matter is that they go into this game.
Sure, the Europa League champions.
Unfortunately for Tottenham, Maddison injured, Kulusevski injured,
wow,
Dragicevic injured, Mauricio Solomon injured. And the team is very depleted, very depleted. Normally, into this particular game, but wow. I trust Thomas Frank. Say any gamer, the PSG be go on say embarrass omo. I don't think so. Now going into this particular game with form, in the last 5 games, PSG abono omo winning 4. LUZ 0. I mean, in the friendlies, they've had a very decent friendlies as well going into this particular game. Club World Cup, no, it's a Chelsea game, no. And Chelsea game, na PSG will be. In fact, game, no, be him say, could be how many goals and a PSG.
Wonder boy, I find or what Harry, one, yes, sure, say, or can you say Chelsea vetted PSG, but I can't say against the warrior or your Marcel ni.
Media
against the lawyer, but
now I knew that Chelsea be competitive. The way I'm man for can say, kwashawa no. I never say
you been say Reverend. Say but but that day, the Blues.
Yes, we came to the party.
Fantastic.
Now, what are we expecting in this particular game now? So in terms of form and momentum,
okay,
a favor PSG. Tottenham Europa, apart from the Europa wing, no, Europa League win, no, preseason, Omania very they've had a very shaky, very shaky. No, there's a 4-0, very shaky results. Into and but Omone Arsenal, and I think
Arsenal board
draw, yeah.
Omo winning. Omo lose you 2 no matter what.
Didn't make us say at least Omoni Arsenal dey omo timi bibi kakra. In terms of the tactical setup, your culture say Thomas Frank boy very cohesive football. Now why just obey unpredictable. Okay, you be try say you be mu bebre, you be keep a very cohesive shape. You we are na ya ensure say you be unpredictable. Yeah, and that is the unpredictable nature na Enzo Maresca Eddie say one who say Chelsea could play that way, and I think that Thomas Frank will go there. PSG himself very high pressing game on the ball, a very vibrant and dynamic attacker, and anyone will be now on who the offer way for will be our pace, will be our skill, will be our goal. One said then who a front a typical striker so anymore. So that's the PSG. Now you know him say in terms of psychology there, PSG eluki go into this particular game with the expectations also more winning. After losing the club worker, when say PSG lose we are enye the fans will not be happy with them at all. Until also almost compensate to with and also make it up with that particular trophy way. Okay. So Tottenham goes into this particular game as underdogs. Now, signing actually say it's supposed to be a PSG win. Okay. What I can say is once again, it will not be an embarrassing result. I don't think so. In terms of the quality, PSG and Shadan add the quality to PSG team now. But me because Charlie Dembele will add the wine to Dembele. Due ko add the wine to him. Kvaratskhelia ko add the wine and Lewis and everything. Wine Ruiz and everything. Wine are they ko come on. Into Abrante or ma sign in here just goalkeeper and Abrante friend Ilya Zamani. But then what are they goalkeeper me sure so be an upgrade on Donnarumma. I don't mean sure so obey obehunu Dutch and Donnarumma. Into but regarding Tottenham there, Mohamed Kudus and João Paulinho, me sure say Ombe added something more to our Tottenham team now. Okay. And then again, the day asked our Tottenham coach. And you know, coach it's me making
coach no top notch, sir. Because in the first team we was our handle.
I and they no correct, but you be sir now Zidane e barrier Madrid will be expect bibia you coaches or Remo or him time when Frank Rijkaard mo take you over when Luis Enrique mo were getting opportunities with Barcelona. Now he said that near track record
Denmark junior teams Brøndby Brentford and then
but about England with Brentford what he's done with Brentford you need to take him serious.
Okay.
There are coaches. Charlie, look at Vincent Kompany. Kompany called Burnley, not the Burnley relegation. Or called Germany, one called Germany, and what they drew a quarter final. There was a champions. Great and the clubs can make a difference for coach. Coach be more Abasro. Enti one careful. Where's now me say now only Brentford there big game. It was difficult for you. It will be only Brentford this year kind last season behind. And the chairman said he could bring in something to the team. Ama wababe into no any Postecoglou. The difference, domestically Postecoglou struggle. Europe Postecoglou idea. And yadi team nama or yadi ama Thomas, but for me say what justify why I was a team, but the can't say UEFA Super Cup need a favor Champions League. The last time Atletico Madrid in Kwan and Atletico Madrid in Kwan make it the exception against Real Madrid. I don't make it the exception. Atletico Madrid in Kwan no the entire bus I say Omborn said the Omborn was Spain. To say the boss Spain that will be unchanged. That is how they played it. But typically by Europe they are they be a favor the Champions League winner apart from 4-2 win Atletico Madrid in over Real Madrid in 2018. So clearly we know where the battle will go. I as a Ghanaian I have me one source for the enemy expect say Kudus come.
Na ma prediction.
Okay. So I look at the Tottenham team. Vicario, Romero, Van de Van, Poro, Spence, Bentancur, Paulinho in the middle. And it's sad because Bissouma, I think so more or suspension disciplinary issues be Kudus side in the middle and I already bet na fe Solanke in fact team we more hakakranya yen kan okre I expect say komo benya e better ezenaba nanka ezenaba be pia from one side na Kudus pia from one side na komo supply you one more Kvaratskhelia Dembele and Duede and everything and Ruiz is say what that is Emery team no quality and no credit say goalkeeper And there's so much pressure on Cavalier.
Okay.
Donnarumma position in the shoes.
Yeah.
I think that PSG will be good enough, but they won't embarrass.
What's saying?
So young na a 2-1 win for PSG.
PSG 2.
A 2-1 win for PSG.
I hope